Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these fluffy restaurant style pancakes. They are beginner friendly and you will love it. First, you get your bowl, and into the bowl you are going to mix up your dry ingredients, and this is some self-rising flour, or you can use your pastry flour or all-purpose flour. Add in some sugar, go in with some baking powder, and all the measurements for this will be listed in the description, so do well to refer to the description to get everything you need to make these. Now you are going to mix everything together, and after everything is well mixed, you just set this aside, and now we move on to making our wet ingredients. So to get your wet ingredients, to do that we are going to break in some egg, just one, and then you go in with your milk. After you add your milk, you like to go in with your flavor of choice. I'm using vanilla flavor here, and then I went ahead to add my melted margarine. You can use butter, and remember this is salted, so if you are using salted margarine or butter, then you want to not add salt to this, but if you are using unsalted, then you should add a little salt, which I'll leave that also in the description for you. Now we are going to combine our dry ingredients together with the wet ingredients, and you want to mix these a little with your hand whisk, and then you later go in with a spatula. That is because we do not want to mix these until it's smooth. This texture and consistency is perfect. However, if you feel it's too thick for you, then you should add a little milk to this, maybe a tablespoon to this. Also, if you feel it's too thick at a point, just go in with a tablespoon of the same flour and you're good to go. Let your batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before you grease your pan with some margarine or butter, and then you scoop a reasonable amount into it. Make sure you use the same measuring cup to do that, so you are able to get the same size as well. Now you flip it over after it bubbles up, and then you set it aside. Now you want to repeat that until you are done with everything. And also remember, whenever you are making your pancakes, do not increase your fire. Make sure it's on medium to low. You have to be patient. You have to really take your time for this to get better. So our pancakes are just ready. These pancakes here are fluffy and they taste so good. Let me know in the comments after you try this, and also if you want to know how these syrups are made, let me know so I give you a detailed recipe on that. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Share to your friends and loved ones so they don't miss out on anything I will post in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.